Good morning students. So we are here seeing the mutable and immutable data type in details. So the immutable data type means the value of that variable will not change at the same location. These are immutable data types are integers, floating point, boolean, string and tuples. Let's see this example when p is equal to 5 and q is equal to p and r is equal to 5. So when we are printing the value of p, q, r, so value will be displayed on the screen is 555. Again we are assigning the value of p is 10, r is 7 and q is r. So you will get the different value. So that means these value will be not represent the same location. These value will be in different, whereas in old language the value of the same location will be changed. So let's see with this example. In case of first, when the value of PQR is this, so this is represent only the same location. You can see the value is this. So when we will print the ID of that will come the same value, because each boxes is represented here with the location. So 5 is the address is 14576622208. Same this is of P, same this is of Q and same address of R. Whereas in case of second assignment, these addresses will be changed. These will not change on the same location. So P is represent to 10 location and Q and R is represent the 7. So when we are printing, so the address will become different. 10 and P is same, whereas 7 and Q and R are same. Now come, this is the mutable data type. In case of mutable data types, value will be changed on the current location. So here this is the list. Mutable data types are the list, dictionary and sets. So there is the list, the value is a 246 and we are changing the value of chk of 1. So in place of 4 the value will be 40. So first we are checking the id of chk, that will represent 150195536, and after the changing the address is also same. Now the variables is internals, how the variables is behavior and how these will be work. So there is the internals a equal 4 when we will print the type of 4, so that is the integer, or type of a, that is again is integer. In case of value a is 4, when we print a 4, this will give the direct result 4, or when we will print the variable, so this will also give the 4. So there are the three things. Number first is type is for represent the data type, value is for give the value, and id is give the location of that variable. Now here operators is again explained. So we are going to this fast arithmetic operator is plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus and exponent. Unary operator is unary plus, unary minus and so on, whereas the binary operators in case plus, minus, multiplication, ठीक है, all this addition, subtraction, divide. In case of divide, when we will divide a 4 divided by 2, that will give the answer 2.0, and when we will give the 100 upon 10, this will give the 10.0, and when we will 7 upon 2.5, that answer will come in point. But when we not require the answer in point, so we can use the double slash sign for the divide. So 15.9 upon 3 a double slash of v, that give the answer of 5.0. Percentage is basically used for remainder. So 7.2 divided by 3, answer is 1.2, and 6 divided by 2.5, so the value will become 1.0, that will be the remainder. these are operator is called the assignment operator, or we can say a arithmetic assignment, because both will be comes in combined. So x plus equal y will be x equal x plus y, and x divide equal y equal x divided by y. So some of the language, these are called arithmetic assignment operator or a shorthand operator. Relational operator is also called a comparison operator. These are basically used for the comparison purpose, and the result of these will be come in true or false. You can give here the such as the values of these variable is here a is 3 and b is 13, and we are checking here a less than is b, so answer is true, and c less than is d, where the value of c is n and less than of d, and value of d is g, so this will be the wrong, so answer will come false.